Imagine a dog that doesn't bark. Meet the Basenji, the only breed in the world that communicates with a unique yodeling sound, known as a baru. While most dogs express themselves through barking, the Basenji, originating from Central Africa, relies on this melodious vocalization due to its uniquely shaped larynx, which doesn't allow for typical barking. This ancient breed, depicted in Egyptian hieroglyphs, uses its distinct voice to communicate, making it a fascinating companion. The Basenji is not just a quiet dog, it's a living piece of history that carries the echoes of ancient times in its voice. Their communicative yodels are complemented by a cat-like grooming habit and an independent, curious nature, ensuring that the Basenji captures hearts not just with its silence, but with its whole being. If you thought all dogs barked, think again. This breed will make you reconsider everything you know about canine communication.